T-Mobile DashPass not showing up? It's a common issue with a few key causes. First, confirm you're on an eligible T-Mobile postpaid plan, all plans as of 2025. Prepaid and business accounts aren't eligible. Second, check your T-Mobile app. Ensure it's updated to the latest version, 25.10 plus. Outdated apps often have visibility bugs. Account verification delays can also prevent DashPass from appearing immediately after activation or plan changes. Allow up to 48 hours. Finally, regional restrictions or network limitations in rural areas might be a factor. T-Mobile has introduced a DashPass Health Check feature in the app to automatically diagnose and fix most of these issues. This tool scans for eligibility and linkage errors, resolving many cases instantly. If the health check doesn't work, proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. If DashPass is still missing, try these troubleshooting steps. Clear the T-Mobile app's cache and data, then restart your device. This often resolves temporary glitches. To re-link your account, go to the Perks or DashPass section in the T-Mobile app and sign in with your DoorDash credentials. Ensure you're using the correct DoorDash account. Double-check that your T-Mobile account is fully verified and that your plan is active. Remember, you must be 18 plus to link accounts. After linking, confirm that the DashPass benefits, free delivery fees on eligible DoorDash orders, are applied in your DoorDash account. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support via app chat or by calling 611. If none of these steps work, it may indicate a more complex issue requiring direct assistance from T-Mobile's technical support team.